Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Toxic Gazer from Garten of Banban as a Squishmallow. Let's start off with the Squishmallow shape right on the top. Let's give it a really nice round top over the head. Like so. And Toxic Gazer has a really big eye, so let's even make it even bigger and cuter. Giving it big round eye. Let's draw in a big circle for the center. Then I want to add a little bit of a highlight. Once you're done with these steps, we just need to color in the black part of this eye right around here. And that's all you really need to color for the black. And since the Toxic Gazer has two little cute mouths on the side, let's draw those in. Let's start off with these two lines on either side. And then let's draw in an oval. And another oval. And before we complete the mouth on the sides, let's draw in the rest of our Squishmallow body on the bottom. And for detail's sake, let's add in a little belly detail. Just so our Squishmallow version has a little bit more detail. And for the mouth, let's draw in a cute version of the mouth. Let's add in a little cute smile like so. It's almost like a jelly bean shape on one side. And if I'm going a little too fast, you can pause the video at any time. And once you're completed with the steps, you can unpause to continue. Alright, on this side, let's draw in another smile, like so. And for the teeth, let's see if we can make them real cute. Let's just draw in these U shapes to make the teeth a little less scary for our Squishmallow version of the Toxic Gazer. And that's looking really cute. Now we could just use our color to color in our custom Squishmallow. Let's start off with a nice green. And let's add a big circle for highlight. Like so. And then let's color in pretty much the whole character green. Careful going inside the mouth. We're going to save that for our red. Continue down. And we want to avoid the belly also. We're going to use an off green for that one. Go this side. Almost done over here. If you're liking the video so far, please give it a like and subscribe. That'll help the channel out a ton. Alright, almost done. Let's do the top of the head and we could draw in the rest of the green. Once that green is done, let's go for the lighter green and do the belly. Let's add in a highlight also. That's looking good. And finally, we need some red. Let's see if we can use a lighter red for the mouth. Oop, that's looking good. This side, and once we're done with this, we're complete. And there you have it, a custom Toxic Gazer Squishmallow from Garten of Banban. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.